Hello everyone, let us provide a solution to this simple geometry question. The question reads, the diagram shows three identical cycles inside a rectangle. Each cycle touches the other two cycles and the size of the rectangle. We're asked to find the area of the rectangle given that the radius of each cycle is 24 millimeter. All right, how can we find the area of rectangle? It is this side times this side, right? So we can see that this is length, this is width. We have different combination, length times the breadth. It depends on how you call it. All right. So let's pay attention to this horizontal length, because you can see we have two cycles that are touching each other horizontally. From this point to this point is a diameter. From this point to this point is another diameter. So we have two diameters. And two diameters contain what? 4 radii. So because this is radius, this is radius, this is radius, this is radius, 4 of them, right? So we can see that the length here is 4r, right? So what about this? Okay, let's pay attention. From here to here is radius. From here to here is also radius. But we have a space, because pay attention. This is the center of this cycle, right? Therefore, we shall have another radius from this point to this point. So 1, 2, 3 radii. But we still have a missing portion which we need to find. So how can we find it? We're going to apply Pythagoras theorem. Let me show you. First of all, I would like to connect this point to this point. You see that? This is radius. This is another radius. Now let me bring this one down here. Then connect it here. Remember, this is another radius. So what will be the distance here? Because I know that this is a radius, and from here down here is another radius. So let me just mark them in black. This is radius. This is another radius. So this is r. This is r. So I need to find this missing side to add it to these two r's. And to do that, we can relate the hypotenuse, this side and this side, to find that x. Okay. Collectively here we have 2r, right? So according to Pythagoras theorem, that 2r, if you square that, it is equal to this one squared, right? That is r squared. And also this one squared plus x squared. But remember, we are looking for x, right? So let us make it the subject. X squared is now equal to 2r whole squared minus r squared. Let's simplify. This is going to give us 4r squared minus r squared, which is equal to 3r squared, right? So x squared is equal to 3r r squared. To find x, we're going to take square root of both sides. 3r squared inside square root. But square root of r squared will give us r. So we're bringing r outside. So finally, x equal to r root 3. All right. So it means that this missing side is r root 3. So if it is r root 3, so we have r 2r, right? 2r, then plus r root 3. That will give us this side. So to find the area, we have to take this and multiply by this. So therefore, the area E is equal to 2r plus r root 3, right? Which is this side. Then multiplied by this side, which is 4r. Multiplied by 4r. If you like, you can bring the r right away, or otherwise let us expand. This time this will give us what? 8r squared. 8r squared. Then plus. This time this will give us 4r squared root 3, right? 4r squared root 3. Now, what is r? Remember, r is 24. So this is 8 multiplied by 24 squared plus 4, 24 squared. Or let us make it very simple because we have common r's. Let us bring it outside. So this is r squared. Inside we have 8 plus 4 root 3. I think this will be better. So this is 24 squared times 8 plus 4 root 3. All right, let me simplify this. 24 times 24 will give us 576. So 576 multiplied by 8 plus 4 root 3. So from here we can simply expand. If you multiply by 8, that will give us 4,608 plus. Now we're going to multiply by 4 root 3. Well, let us just multiply by 4. If you multiply by 4, that will give us 2,304 root 3. So this is the exact area. Exact what? Area. Millimeter squared. But if you want to get the approximated answer, find root 3, multiply it by this, then you add to this. Let's do that. Square root of 3 is approximately 1.7. Then if you multiply that by 2,304, that will give us approximately 3,990. Then you should add 4,608. That will give us 8,598.64. Or let me make it in 2 decimal places, 0.65 millimeter squared. This is in 2 decimal places, and this is said to be the area of this rectangle right here. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye bye.